Okay, I'm going to do activity 2.4, number 4. I'm going to do a multi-view drawing of this object here. You see the isometric in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to do that as my front face. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count some blocks. I'm going to say that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks wide. So I can go ahead and lay that line on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm now going to look at the height. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks tall. And comes up, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to come over 2. I'm going to go down like this. And come over like this. So looking from the front view, this is what I see. Okay, temporary pause. I'm going to go ahead and set some construction lines here. I'm going to put my top view on next, but I'm going to go ahead and put all the major planes, make sure they're noted with construction lines. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look down from the top. That would be coming down from the top, and what will I see? So coming that way, I'm going to go ahead and start laying it out. So it's really just going to appear to be a rectangle coming from the top. That is to say, if I look at this face here, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks representing the depth of the object. There's 5 blocks and coming across, and I should probably go ahead and make that there, and then it's going to be the same thickness, and it's going to come over. I don't have to count blocks again because I already have a construction line to guide me to that edge. And from the top, it's going to look like that. At this point, this will be helpful. I can draw the right, and I can show you a trick with the miter lines. I'm going to go ahead and draw some construction lines coming out this way from this side. And the top corner of that object, which would be right here, I know there's nothing there, but that would be the big box that it sits in. Coming off that point is where I would actually draw my miter line. And drawing a miter line, I'm not really going to be grading the miter lines, but that allows me to set a great distance of my right face where it goes. I'm not really going to be too particular, but this will help show how to really make things line up nicely on this. Looking at it from the right side, again, it's just kind of boxy, a couple rectangles. I'm going to look at this face right there first, and that face from the right side would just appear to be a rectangle that is 5 wide by 2 tall, and then sitting on top of that would be this face, and that would be, I believe 5 tall and 5 wide. That's going to look like that, and again, it lines up so very nice. But this is activity 2.4, number 4 in the books.